Harnessing the power of nature is a profound way to boost your mood and foster a positive mindset. Exposure to natural environments has been shown to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, promoting mental well-being. The soothing sights and sounds of nature, like flowing water, rustling leaves, and birdsong, can calm the mind and enhance emotional resilience. Nature also encourages physical activity, which releases endorphins, further elevating mood. Spending time outdoors, whether hiking, gardening, or simply walking in a park, can lead to mindfulness and a greater appreciation for the present moment. This connection with nature rejuvenates the spirit, providing a natural antidote to the pressures of modern life.